Well, I'm out here working on some AV stuff for my 2022 Lariat Ford Maverick. And what I wanted to do with it, because I think one of the worst parts about the truck was really the screen in it. I thought the screen should have gone all the way across rather than, this and then the cubby. I thought the cubby was completely useless. So when I saw on Ford Authority, which is a pretty well-known website, I saw an article about Fordsync4 as a company that produced retrofit kits for the Ford Maverick. And I thought, since Ford Authority had it on there, that this was a reputable company. Now when you look at the pricing, I mean, it goes like from $4,000 to $3,000 to $2,000, $1,500. If you're a Ford Maverick Truck Club member, it's like $500 off, and there's no rhyme or reason to it. But I was able to contact them, and I did ask them one question. I said, does it look like the picture that you have on your website? And she absolutely came back and said, yes, it looks like the after picture. Now, the reason that I bought the kit from them is because I like the way it fit. It didn't go up high. It just filled up where the cubby was, and it goes all the way across. And I thought, wow, that's super cool. That looks great. It's a little bit of custom. So I went ahead and ordered because I was promised that's what it looked like. Now, what you find out is Fordsync4 is a bunch of liars. Not only do they not have anything, absolutely anything to do with New Jersey or the United States, it's some people in China that, because that's where this came from, it's some people in China that get a bunch of used parts, throw them in a box, and then send it out and say that they've programmed it, and that's not the truth. Alright, so this I guess will be, alright, so this is the unboxing. So they DHL'd it. I can't even read it. Shenzhen Kurzing Technology. I don't even know who this is from, but it sure as heck doesn't say Fordsync or Sync Ford or anything like that. I'll do a little search on that. This is, I haven't opened it yet, so this is, we're seeing it at the same time. Okay. Alright. Any questions, feel free to contact us. Okay. There's something about a flash drive, I don't know. Here's the APIM. It's all beat up. You can tell this was out of a wreck. And they put a sticker over it, so I don't know. It says Ford. I guess they did that for copyright, but they take all the decals off of it, so you don't know which APIM it is. I think that says Ford underneath it too. So clueless at this point, but you can tell that this is a used beat up one. And then some kind of screen here, it looks like, that they've made. Alright, they got some kind of plastic thing. It's not it's molded, it's not like laser printed, so that's interesting. What do we got here? Your installation tools, bracket, some bolts, tools, bracket, bolts. Let's see. Here's the cable, which is, I think, the same cable that I made up. Yeah, basically same thing. And that's Ford's 4Scan. That's what that's for. They lied about the screen, and I even emailed them and said, hey, which screen is it? And it's this one. So we'll see what the instructions say, but they're liars, that's for sure. Because what I received was programmed for a Ford F-150. Oh, yeah, okay, so, great. Okay, I can tell you that they didn't program this for a Maverick. See, the audio volume doesn't work. The volume on the... It does work on the steering wheel, but that's wrong. And it also, when you go to features, it's showing F-150 towing, zone lighting, which Mavericks don't have. Close. And that's a zone lighting. That's a Ford F-150 right there. So obviously they haven't done any programming to this APIM. This is just straight out of a 2023, I believe. Let's see. Well, yeah, it kind of works. They haven't given any programming information. They sent a programming cable for a Forscan, but like I said, there's no directions whatsoever. When I went back to her and said, hey, this isn't what I ordered, it's supposed to be for a Maverick, she said, oh no, it's programmed for your truck, you don't have to change anything, it's already correct. Now, when you email these people, Fordsync4, get ready, because it's going to take a day to 2 days for them to even respond back. It's the worst customer service ever. Whether you're doing an F-150, a Bronco, Explorer, Maverick, any of them, it's the same crappy company. Now, I'm doing a video because I'm going to show you in the next videos that are coming up how to do it yourself for like probably a quarter of the price that they're charging, and because I promised those scumbags that I would do a video on it just to warn people about what a low-life, worthless company they are. Alright, I mean, it's just crazy. So indeed, the screen is a transit screen or something from China, who knows. The APIM is a 12-inch screen from a Ford F-150, obviously, because it shows up as a Ford F-150. I don't have the programming. Well, I've figured out some of the programming for it, but they never sent me anything to be able to program it. They basically just said, yeah, that's right, and there it is. Now, I did get a discount on it because I said I want to cancel the order, because even after I ordered it, I couldn't get them to answer emails for days. Finally, oh, sorry about the delay. And then they finally answered. So here's your bottom line. Number one, you can do it cheaper yourself. Number two, they are scumbags. They are the worst company to deal with, and what you get is not what they advertise. You're getting a used APIM, a screen from something else possibly, and no, absolutely no customer service. If you see people putting like reviews on the internet saying, oh, they were great from start to finish. No, those people either got paid off or it's a fake review, because this is the worst people to deal with. Now, if you want the 13.2 screen, the APM isn't going to work. I'm going to have all kinds of videos showing how to do it, what to do, what parts you need, all those kind of things coming up. But I did want to warn you, if you're going to do a Sync 3 to Sync 4 upgrade on a Maverick, or really anything that's a Ford product, steer clear of Fordsync4, because they are a Chinese scam used parts company that has no customer service. Any questions, comments, post them below. I'm glad to be back. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches and stay away from them.